Loading, please wait.
So we're real crazy, and we're up north. Put an offer on this place. It's on Drummond Island, and it does need some work, of course, because you know we love to do buy houses that need work. But it has a nice sun porch. We're gonna do some work on these doors and put some different windows in. It's got these two barns to store all of our toys in. And roof looks good, which we like. Siding looks good. It's got a crawl. We cleaned the front windows pretty good. I still see a little bit there in the corner, but cleaned all these windows up here just because this is where we're at. Brought in this table with our chairs. We still got some junk that needs to go out. We're gonna try to fix this cabinet. This drawer comes from that cabinet over there. We found it. We found the top down here somewhere. So this room got cleaned best we could. I didn't do the windows yet, so they're kind of nasty. On the hit list are these two cabinets. I'm gonna go in this closet. Those two cabinets need to go away because they're taking up too much space in this little mechanical room. What else did we do? Put this bed, move this bed, set this bed up. There was a couple dressers in here we took out. Oh, I gotta get that out. Fix this heater back here. I didn't do the windows here either. Poppy cleaned the bathroom. It was pretty bad, but it still needs to be painted pretty bad. In this vanity, I don't know. We didn't clean the shower, but we figured out how to use it. See, it's got a lot of rust. So hopefully we can figure out maybe one of those inline filters might help. It's kind of a weird jacuzzi whirlpool. So, yep, needs some work still. He's out there. I don't know what he's doing. Looking at curtains, I guess. Just had her dinner. We got a mess still. I got my notebook. I'm working on stuff. And here, I'll show you what we did up here. Clean this room up. Set this bed up. There's a vanity here, or a little nightstand here, nightstand there. We took the screen out and all the trim because this window back here is messed up. The latch thing is messed up. There was a closet right here that is gone because Just took up too much room for this little space. We vacuumed everything, but still got dirty, so I gotta do that, fix that. This thing is crazy. I don't know what's up with that. I don't even know where the piece is downstairs. There's a bunch of stuff in here that I cleaned up. And that's what some of this garbage is out here. That's all garbage. So I left some stuff. That this one box has a bunch of DVDs in it, because we know we like to watch DVDs because we don't really have very good reception up here. So it's gonna be fun because that right there needs to be cleaned. But maybe I can do with my duster sometime. And like, this is all cobwebs. So fun. Here's where we're at the end of day 5. Look at this mess we got in the kitchen. Let me take you this way. There's my back brace. That's how good things have been going. There's the stairs. We've got the first 1, 2, 3, 4, up to the 5th step done. Then Poppy quit right in the middle of his job. He was supposed to keep on going right all the way up there to that landing. From there to there. So we'll see if it's going to work out right.
Try to take it in while it's good, when everything feels like it should. Friends gather round, tonight it's now or never. And we all know that nothing lasts forever. The stage is set for all we do. Under these lights, just me and you. Thrive in the dark, but the night is not a mirror. I think I'm finally seeing things clearer. We're just a flicker in the candle of time, counting down the days before our light burns out. Last time. Once again, before we go, love me hard and hold
if you could like and subscribe, it would help a lot. And if you wanna watch our other videos and be notified when we post the video, hit the bell icon after you hit the subscribe button.
So we're back. Here's our big finds for the day. We found a hummingbird feeder, and we found this treasure chest here. Let me show you all the treasure we found. Cool. I don't know if I can open it. You think I can do it? Yeah. Oh, look at that treasure we found. Probably like $1 worth of pennies. Wah, wah, wah.